Hi guys, it's me again, Tony Lim. Today I would like to make a quick video to actually share with all people about what is the ways that actually Warren Buffett is using on selecting a branded company to invest. For investments, right, when we investing in the stock markets, it divided into different categories. Do you heard about this? Like people talk about long-term investment, short-term investment, and mid-term investment. Well, before we getting started, I would like to check with you that what do you think that if a company that is having a last long brandings and not only last long branding but is old enough and profit for a long period of times is already generated the so-called profits for maybe more than decades, would it be able to actually help us to go for a long-term profit on that? And if that's the case, do you agree that if a company have a better branding or better ways of actually to brand the company, will be able to help us to generate more profits, and in the long run, it will increase in their share prices? Well, so today is actually I would like to share about how the way that Warren Buffett is using on selecting a branded company and to invest into those company for a certain period of time. So when we are talking about selecting a branded company like Warren Buffett ways, then we need to talk about branded and branding. Okay, branded and branding, these two words actually is give for different meanings. So what do I mean is branded and what do I mean is branding? Okay, so when we talk about branded and branding, so we need to really go through the ways that how Warren Buffett is look at it. Okay, so normally when Warren Buffett is go to select a stock, right, that they will look at this stock is how about this company on their branding itself. What do I mean branding is, if this company is we call it they already have a well-known or popularity in the markets. So we call it this company is already well brand themselves, right? So while branding themselves, it doesn't mean that they actually is what we so call is profitable company. Okay, so it might be profitable for a certain period of time in the short run. Then after a few years, this company will just dilute and just disappear on the market itself, in the marketplace. So in order to actually select a right company, which is a right brand, then we need to understand another words we call branded. Okay, so what do I mean for branded? Okay, another name is branded is mean Warren Buffett is like he would like to actually tend to select a company which is not only have branding popularity, but as well as it lasts for a long it lasts for very long already, or we call it a certain period of time, which is branded company. Branded company means throughout the decades, right, they are able to generate a very handsome return. Okay, so be it in their net profit for the year, in their earning per share, in their price to book ratios, actually generate for very good so-called figures that we can see that this company actually is generating a very good money, right? So how are we going to assess those company is very simple. Just take it example, right? We talk about shoes, sports shoes. Okay, sports shoes. When we talk about Nike, what is the brand that number one brand would draw your attention and emerge into your brain or in our mind is number one? We call it is actually Nike, right? So if we talk about Nike, so in short to say, 80% of people, if they are going for sport, going to conduct their exercise, to their lessons or what, they will choose to actually wear Nike shoes because Nike shoes is a branded shoes and it's very comfortable when we wear it to go for sport, right? And this is the number one brand that we would think about when we go for sports shoes. And you talk about in Malaysia, maybe you want to buy a glove. What is the company we actually think about? Top Glove, right? It's last for very long decades already, I can say. So when we talk about branded, okay, so we have to think about this brand, according to Warren Buffett way, is how long it already lasts. And this company actually is generating a very good profit for a certain period of time. Not only popularity, but it's old enough, and this company is old enough for us to actually comfortable to invest in. Because according to fish, these are pure fish, which is one of the we call it dominant so-called stock investor. Okay, then he's talked about actually we invest in the stock, we need to look for growth stock. And to go for growth investing methodology, which is the company will be able to grow for a certain period of time. So if we want to go for that kind of methodology, then we have to see whether it's matched with Warren Buffett way, right? So do you ever heard that Warren Buffett say, if we invest in a certain stock, then you ask him that when is the right time to sell? He say it's never, forever, never sell this stock, right? Is because to him that he apply, what I can say is nearly 80% of pure fishes methodologies on investing into the stock and never sell it, because a company, if have a good management, it will grow in the stock price eventually. So essentially there are many ways can help a company to grow in their share prices, but one of the most important thing is their brand. And this company actually do they have a very good management team? That will be another things that we need to actually, another equation we need to really consider about. So in short to say, in the summary, in order to actually select a branded company by the Warren Buffett way, we have to look at this company actually is whether it's one of the first priority product that actually emerge in our mind or in our brain when we want to buy certain things. Then whether if this is actually the first one that we think about, and if that is, then we have to look for the second so-called conditions, whether this company is last for long enough to help us to generate that kind of that not only lasts for a long period of time, but also is generating a positive return. Okay, so this is number 2. And number 3 is we have to think of whether this is a branding company or this is a branded company. Branding company is just is flash just for a while, that maybe 1 year or 2 years, then he actually collapsed or disappeared in the marketplace. And how to determine that is we have to really take a look on this product is a trend product, or this product is actually a needs product. That means we really need it, no matter the market is in the bad market or in the bull market, we do need this product. Then we got no choice, right? We have to purchase that. So, but if this product is actually a trend product, it means once the trend is already over or completed in a certain period of time, and the sale will drop, and the company will just disappear. For certain company, which is called in the penny stock, you won't see them anymore. Okay, so this is actually for Warren Buffett, how he selected a branded company by using one of the best way we call it is a branded company selection methodologies. Okay, so my sharing today is ended. So if you are first time actually listen to my sharing, I would like to encourage you to go to my Facebook, which is www.facebook.com and /wct.apm, or you just key in WCT worldwide. Okay, WCT will be WCT then space WORLD WITE. Then you will see our Facebook. Then I will be sharing a lot of the methodology as well as stock investing in future. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you again, guys. Thank you.